Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be working on Jim's, what year is it?
97.
97 Mustang Cobra. It is not stock. We'll leave that for another video, but we are going to do a honeydew pre-soak, a citrus wash and gloss wash. We're going to use the Chemical Guys clay mitt because the car is fairly clean and garaged to clay it, and then a minor paint correction, and then the application of Optimum Gloss Coat. So okay, so the vehicle has been fully polished. I tried to take some before videos with the GoPro and the Scan Grip inspection pen light, but really wasn't coming through too well, so I kind of scrapped those. The car was in really good condition when it came here, so we did a polishing pad and Menzerna super intensive polish, which is one of their older formulas, over the entire car. So as you can see, the reflections and gloss are great just under the regular garage lighting, and we will be applying the Optimum Gloss Coat next. Hand protection. Here is Optimum Gloss Coat. So there's a tip that goes on here. It has like a very fine hole in order to apply it to the included foam applicator. So using the Wolfgang Perfekt Finish panel wipe to remove any of the polishing oils or anything like that, and then we'll go ahead and apply the coating. This is the included applicator. The black or the gray side is a little bit softer, so I'm going to use that side. We're going to start on the hood, which if you look at the depth of the paint from just the polishing with the overhead lights, looks fantastic. So this is the tip that comes with coating. You're pretty much just going to make an X pattern to kind of prime it, and then you're going to work in like a 2x2 area, front to back and side to side, and then you're going to wait 1 minute to 2 minutes for the product to flash. You're going to go back and look for any high spots. You can level it with either the applicator or a paint safe microfiber per the instructions, and then a final buff after that. Okay, so this section of the hood is complete. I'm using my Scan Grip pen to inspect. There was a high spot over here that I could detect in the overhead lighting, but once it has flashed and pretty much just become invisible, it's dissipated, you can go ahead and buff off with a soft towel. I'm using a Rag Company Edgeless 365 towel. So I'm going to go ahead and coat the entire vehicle, and then once we're complete, we'll pull it out in the sun for some after shots. Okay, so the Optimum Gloss Coat is applied. It was very easy to work with because it's very warm today and kind of humid. It did flash relatively quickly, so within, I would say, 30 to 45 seconds, only the high spots would show. So you just level those with the applicator, and then I'd wait another 30 seconds and then buff the area that you just applied the coating to. So the car is not metallic red, it's just solid red, but it looks like the paint was just sprayed. Super wet. I guess that's why they do call it the gloss coat. You can see the few clouds that we do have in the sun today in the reflection. The car took to the polish really well. Looks fantastic. So the owner is ecstatic with the way the car looks. If you're interested in more info on the car, we can always get together with the owner and do like a little bit of a highlight, but this was a video because the weather hasn't been all that great, so videos haven't really been coming up. But I do have some fallout remover comparisons coming up. That video should be up later in the week, and that's it. So if you like the Supercharged 97 Mustang, give the video a thumbs up. If you like the results of the Optimum Gloss Coating, give the video a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks. Because the owner has dumps, he took it easy down the street because he doesn't want to blow all the dust and debris from the street up onto the freshly coated car. So that is a proper exit from a detail.